Hey guys, so on this episode of Bangin' Gears, we're at the 3rd annual Haymarket Police Department Classic Car Show and the 1st annual Town of Haymarket Stars and Stripes events. So let's start with Officer O'Neill. Corey, can you please tell us a little bit about your 3rd car show?
Frank, thanks for coming out and videotaping this stuff for us. It's a great event. This is our 3rd annual car show. Everything for this year, all our proceeds are going to ALS. We're helping them to try to find a cure. We've sent on about 73 cars today. It's a beautiful day out here. Nice breeze, in the low 90s, a little bit of humidity, but we've got plenty of vendors out here today to help us out. So you can see all the food trucks in the distance, plus also live music. We're mixed also in with the Town of Haymarket Stars and Stripes like Frank had talked about. So live music all day.
And let me introduce you to the Honorable Mayor Leak. So Mayor, can you tell us a little bit about the Stars and Stripes event?
Absolutely, thank you, Frank. You know, thank everyone. This is our 1st annual Stars and Stripes event, and it is Haymarket, which is everyone's hometown. If you're not here today, you should have been. And look for our next event. Today is honoring our 4th of July celebration. We have the car show, as they mentioned. We have food. We have things for the kids.
If you guys can't make it out today, the best thing I can tell you to do, if you have Facebook, follow the Town of Haymarket's Facebook page. Follow the Town of Haymarket PD's Facebook page. We post all our social media, all our events. Follow us. You'll be able to come out and see us next time.
And I'll put the links for everybody's social media down at the bottom. All right, so let's go around the parking lot. Let's see what we see. Happy 4th of July.
Bye, guys.
Absolutely, thank you.
Dispatch to all units, be advised. Haymarket 1 is in pursuit of possible stolen 1965 Shelby Cobra replica. Last seen in the vicinity of Washington Street and Green Hill Crossing. Suspect may be dangerous. Use extreme caution.
It was me or them. Now for a lifetime I'm condemned.
911 to dispatch.
Go for dispatch.
Dispatch, suspect has been apprehended. Vehicle was not stolen. Repeat, not stolen. Incident was a YouTube video prank.
Not Frank from Bangin Gears again.
Roger that, dispatch. Crazy YouTubers.